Azure API Management Policy Engine. The policy engine's primary purpose is to customize and control API behavior. It enables you to apply various transformations and actions to requests and responses, enforce security measures, and optimize performance. Policies are sets of rules and statements that determine how requests and responses are processed in the API management pipeline. Common policy types include inbound policies, applied to incoming requests, outbound policies, apply to outgoing responses, and back-end policies, apply to requests sent to back-end services. Features. 1. Policy management. The policy engine allows you to define and manage policies that control how API requests and responses are handled. 2. Granular control. You can apply policies at various levels, including the API, operation, and product levels, providing fine-grained control over API behavior. 3. Pre-built policies. Azure API Management offers a wide range of pre-built policies, making it easier to implement common behaviors like caching, rate limiting, and security. 4. Custom policies. You can create custom policies using policies defined in XML, allowing you to tailor the API behavior to your specific needs. 5. Policy inheritance. Policies can be inherited, which simplifies management and reduces redundancy when multiple entities share similar policies. Policy management. Purpose. Policy management in Azure API Management allows you to define and control the behavior of your APIs. Policies are sets of rules and statements that are applied to incoming requests, inbound policies, outgoing responses, outbound policies, and back-end requests, back-end policies. Customization. The primary purpose of policy management is to customize how API requests and responses are processed, allowing you to tailor API behavior to your specific needs. Granular control. Policies can be applied at various levels, including the API level, operation level, and product level. This provides granular control over how policies are enforced. Inbound policies. Purpose. Inbound policies are applied to incoming API requests before they are processed by your API's back-end service. They allow you to manipulate the request, enforce security, and perform other operations on the client's request. Common use cases. Inbound policies are often used for tasks such as authentication, rate limiting, request transformation, and security checks. Outbound policies. Purpose. Outbound policies are applied to outgoing responses before they are sent back to the client. They enable you to modify the response, apply caching, and perform other operations before the client receives the data. Common use cases. Outbound policies are used for response caching, response transformation, and setting response headers. How to create inbound and outbound policies. 1. Access the Azure portal. Log into the Azure portal and navigate to your Azure API Management instance. 2. Define a policy. To create an inbound or outbound policy, go to the specific API or operation where you want to apply the policy. 3. Access Policy Editor. In the API or operation configuration, find the Design tab and click on the Inbound Processing or Outbound Processing section. 4. Edit Policy. Use the policy editor to define your policy using XML-based policy expressions. Azure API Management provides pre-built policy statements and expressions that you can use. 5. Save the policy. After defining your policy, save it. The policy is now applied to the specified API or operation, controlling the request or response processing. Backend policies. Purpose. Backend policies in Azure API Management are policies that are applied to requests sent from the API Management Gateway to the backend services. These policies allow you to control how requests are processed by the backend, providing additional control over the API's interactions with backend services. Customization. The primary purpose of backend policies is to customize how requests are formed, modify response data from the backend, and handle specific requirements of the backend service. Common use cases. Backend policies are often used for tasks such as request transformation, rewriting URLs, modifying headers, handling caching with the backend, and dealing with response data from the backend. How to create backend policies. 1. Access the Azure portal. Log into the Azure portal and navigate to your Azure API management instance. 2. Define a policy. To create a backend policy, go to the specific API operation where you want to apply the policy. 3. Access Policy Editor. In the API operation configuration, find the Design tab and click on the Backend section. 4. Edit Policy. Use the Policy Editor to define your backend policy using XML-based policy expressions. Azure API Management provides pre-built policy statements and expressions that you can use. 5. Save the policy. After defining your backend policy, save it. The policy is now applied to the request sent from the API Management Gateway to the backend service. Best practices. Document your policies to ensure that your team understands their purpose and functionality. Test your policies thoroughly to verify that they behave as expected. Monitor the performance and behavior of your APIs after applying policies to detect and troubleshoot any issues. Document your backend policies to ensure that your team understands their purpose and functionality. Test your policies thoroughly to verify that they behave as expected and that requests to the backend are formed correctly. Monitor the performance and behavior of your APIs and backend services after applying backend policies to detect and troubleshoot any issues. Usage. Rate limiting. Use policies like to limit the number of requests from a single client within a defined time frame. Authentication. Implement authentication and authorization with policies like for JWT validation. Caching. Improve performance by caching responses using AND policies. Logging. Monitor and troubleshoot API calls with policies like for sending logs to event hubs. Content transformation. Modify request and response content with policies like OR. Security. Enforce security policies such as to validate incoming request headers. How to make use of the policy engine. 1. Access the Azure portal. Navigate to your Azure API management instance in the Azure portal. 2. Define policies. Under the API's configuration, you can define policies at various levels, inbound, outbound, or backend, by using XML-based policy expressions. 3. Apply policies. Associate the policies with the specific operations, APIs, or products where you want them to be enforced. 4. Test and monitor. Test the behavior of your APIs with the applied policies and monitor their performance to ensure they meet your requirements. In summary, the Azure API Management Policy Engine allows you to manage policies that control API request and response handling. It offers pre-built and custom policies, ensuring granular control over API behavior, from rate limiting and security to caching and content transformation. Summary. In summary, policy management in Azure API Management enables you to customize API behavior using policies. Inbound policies are applied to incoming requests and are commonly used for tasks like authentication and rate limiting. Outbound policies are applied to outgoing responses and are used for response caching and transformation. You can create policies using the Azure portal's policy editor, which uses XML-based expressions. Features include policy management, granular control, pre-built and custom policies, and policy inheritance. Policies are sets of rules and statements that determine API behavior. Policies can be applied at various levels, inbound, outbound, and backend. The purpose is to customize and control API behavior for various use cases. Usage includes rate limiting, authentication, caching, logging, content transformation, and security. To use the policy engine, define policies in the Azure portal, apply them to relevant API entities, and test and monitor their behavior. Policy management in Azure API management allows customization of API behavior. Inbound policies are applied to incoming requests for tasks like authentication and rate limiting. Outbound policies are applied to outgoing responses for caching and transformation. To create policies, access the Azure portal, define policies using the policy editor, and thoroughly test and monitor their behavior. Backend policies in Azure API management customize interactions with backend services. They are used for request transformation, URL rewriting, header modification, caching, and handling response data. To create backend policies, access the Azure portal, define policies using the policy editor, and thoroughly test and monitor their behavior. Thanks for watching.